All right, folks, we're going to, I'm sorry. All right, we're going to begin by rewriting it like so. We're going to rearrange everything. Parenthesis, we're going to put the ax squared term here, which is x squared, plus bx, which is 10x. Leave a space, close parenthesis, plus 27. We've done no math. We're just rearranging everything, okay? Now, we take the b term, which is 10, come over to the side, way over here, and we're going to write 10. It's a positive 10, right? We're going to divide by 2. Okay? 10 divided by 2 is 5. And remember that 5 is special, right? Okay? And whatever we get here, we take it and we square it. Okay, and 5 squared is what? Okay? 25. So I'm going to add a 25 here. But remember, because we're working on the same side of the equal sign, to maintain balance, okay? If I add 25, on the same side, I must also subtract 25. We okay? Yeah. Questions or concerns at this point? Trayvon? Trayvon, flip your paper over and do number 3 and 4. Did you already do number 2? Okay, do 3 and 4. Read the example first, okay? All right. So now, young people, remember, once we add that number inside, we've completed the square. That's a perfect square trinomial, okay? So remember when I told you that 5 is special? Remember, it is the factor of your perfect square trinomial. So I'm going to rewrite it as so. F of x is equal to x, that's a positive 5, plus 5. Disappearing act? Okay. Okay. And then 27 minus 5 is what? Y'all better talk to me. 27 minus 5 is 2. Positive 2. So with this information, young people, what is my vertex? Negative 5, 2, right? Okay. So then, all right, bet. I'm going to use this information to determine the location or the position of my parabola, okay? So I come to negative 5, choink, 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 choink. And that's negative 5, positive 2, choink, choink. I'm going to use the orange to graph. Yes? Okay, it'll show it better in a sec. So here's my axis of symmetry, correct? Guys, the only voices I want to hear are the ones in my head. I don't want to hear you talking. All right? Yeah, you caught that. There's my axis of symmetry. Can you see it? Okay. All right, so I know that my parabola is over here somewhere, right? So if this is my break point, all right, at negative 5, I'm going to go 3 up and 3 back, right? So negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, negative 8. So I'm going to make my chart X, Y, okay? Use the darker pen. And I'm going to start at negative 8, negative 7, negative 6, negative 5, negative 4, negative 3, negative 2. Are there any questions at this point? Was it the chart that gave you a little bit of issues? Figuring out what your points are? Hello? We okay right here? Talk to me. Devon, do you have any questions? You good so far? Was it the chart give you issues? All right, so once you get it started off, you start plugging in points, okay? Let's take negative 8 and plug it into your original. Unless you want to plug it in here. I don't care where you plug it in. But just in my brain, I think it's easier to plug it in here. But if you like this one better, I don't care. I don't care what you use. Okay? So when you plugged in negative 8, what did you get? 11, cool. When you plugged in negative 7, what did you get? casting a shadow. You plugged in -7, you got 6. All right. When you plugged in -6, what did you get? When you plugged in -5, what did you get? You better have, because that's my vertex, right? And y'all, because this is my vertex, okay, everything else is going to do what? It's going to repeat. Very good. So I don't have to calculate anything else. I can put my calculator down, and now I just repeat. All right, so this is going to be 3, this is going to be 6, and this is going to be 11, right? Now I can plot my points. -8, 11, which will technically be, let's see, right here. -7, 6. Oh, I can't see. Okay. -6, 3. And then -4, 3. -3, 6. And 2, 11. Excuse me, -2, 11. Does everyone see where these points came from? Torn? You see where the points came from? Yes, Katie. You asked me what? I just realized there's one more, that it was 10 on the graph. But guess what? You all right? Katie, I will fight you. So then you connect your dots, right? And try to do your graph a little bit better than mine. Mine's a little janky, okay? But now, young people, there's one more bit of information that I asked you to extract. My horizontal shift and my vertical shift. So I would say I have a horizontal shift of what? Just 2? Horizontal shift. So this is, if my origin is here, how many times what is the shift? Choink, choink. Horizontal shift of what? Of -5. Now, if you want to say to the left, you could say a horizontal shift of 5 units to the left. You could say that too, okay? But I think, in my humble opinion, I think it's easier to just use the numbers that are in the vertex. Does that make sense? And then we have a vertical shift. I'm sorry, -5 units. Okay? And then a vertical shift of what? What's my vertical shift? 2 units. 2 units, because it went back 5 and up 2, right? Right? Back 5, up 2. How we feel? Okay. If you like to say, what did you say, Torn? Horizontal shift of 5 units to the left. You can say that. Horizontal shift of 5 units to the left. If that makes you feel better, by all means, do it. It's still right. Okay? And if you want to say vertical shift of 2 units up, okay, or upward, by all means, do what's most comfortable for you. Okay, young people? All right. Hey, knockout number 2, go. You should be good now, yeah? Come on, number 2, you can do it. Yes, ma'am. feel me? What was that word from you? Hold on, baby. Yes, ma'am. If you ready, you can. If you want to try it, you can. Did you read this? Read this. Now, I'm going to teach this to you. Will you do your work? Yes. If you want another one, okay. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, girl. You don't know. Keep going. You got this. And remember, whatever number you got right here is going to be the factorization for this. So it's going to be what? Let me see. Yeah. Whatever the calculator said. Come on. Whatever. 1 minus 9. Whatever it says. 1 minus 9. Whatever it says. Yes. 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 Kenya.
Work now. Thank Excuse me. You're gonna bring me back on Monday? If you lose it, you're not getting another. Can you make a suggestion? No, bring back on Monday. But don't lose because this is it. This paper, we don't have time to make extra copy. Do not lose.
I'm still recording. Yes, every day. See you Monday. Play with me, Anna. Play with me, Anna. Anna.